Hi friends, welcome to Ryan Chess Academy. My name is Murugan. I'm a federating chess player and chess coach. This video topic King's Indian defense. I give one interesting opening trap and six main interesting King's Indian strategy. This strategy for white and black. Watch complete video. You will understand King's Indian strategy. D4, NF6, C4, G6, NC3, bishop G7. Suppose this move, Renfield defense. This move, King's Indian defense. E4, D6. Stop the E5 pawn movement. Knight F3. White develop king side. Black complete his development king side. Bishop E2, E5, bishop E3, pawn E7 not a good move. D capture E5, D capture E5 only possible move. Knight D5, Queen D8, Bishop C5, Rook D, Rook E8, Bishop E7, attack by Queen and Knight. This Knight attacked by two pieces. One is Knight, another one Bishop. So, Black Knight lost. Capture. This move is a blunder move, tactical mistake move. Knight capture, Knight. Bishop capture, Knight. Queen capture, Queen. Black lost. Queen, white win this game. I give some important King's Indian variations. Watch completely. First move D4, NF6. NF6 Indian defense. C4, G6. Knight C3, Bishop G7, E4, D6. It's called King's Indian defense, King's Indian plan. Next move F4. See the board. This 4 pawn control the B5, C5, D5, E5, F5 and G5. This variation 4 pawn attack. White play aggressive attack in center. This 4 square, center square. Center square is one of the basic principle. Control the center square with your piece and pawn and piece. Okay. Next, short question. King safety is the one of the basic principle. Center control, pieces development, king safety. King safety is one of the basic principle. Bishop E2, C5, Knight F3. White develop his piece king side. C capture D4, Knight capture D4, N C6, Bishop E3, Bishop D7, short castle. White completed his pieces development. It's called King's Indian 4 pawn attack. White plan G4, F5, middle game plan. Okay, I give next variation. D4, nf6, c4, g6, nc3, bishop g7, e4, d6, King's Indian defense. f3, short castle, bishop e3, e5, Shamish variation, d5, c6, King's Indian Samish variation, orthodox mainline variation, d4, nf6, c4, g6, nc3, bishop g7, e4, d6, King's Indian defense, knight f3, short castle, bishop e2, e5, short castle, not d5, white playing short castle. Petrosian variation, this type variation, Petrosian variation, d4, nf6, c4, g6, nc3, bishop g7. Suppose pawn play d5, Greenfield defense, bg7, knight f3, d6, g3, short castle, bg2. This bishop called fancy to bishop. This is diagonal, fancy to diagonal. Black have dark color fancy to bishop. White have light color fancy to bishop. In d7, short castle, e5, e4, c6, h3, King's Indian defense, fancy to classical main line, d4, nf6, c4, g6, nc3, bishop g7, e4, d6, King's Indian defense, bishop e2, short castle, bg5, c5, d5, close to pawn structure, close to center, e6, this pawn break the center. Next move, plan rook e8. This opening theory, King's Indian our main line, d4, nf6, c4, g6, nc3, bg7, e4, d6, knight f3, short castle, bishop e2, e5, short castle, king safety, white play center control, pieces development. These two pieces control the center, these two squares and these two squares. I control the four squares. knight c6, d5, n e7, king knight e1, knight d7, f3, f5, King's Indian Orthodox Dynamo variation. You like this video, give me a like, share with your friends. If you have any doubt, ask in comment section. Subscribe my Royal Chess Academy channel. Thank you. See you next video. Bye.